Okay. So you're gonna bend that surgical side knee and you're gonna put that toe right on the step. So stay there. Stay there. What I want is I want this to go, let me try and find the right spot. Right up there. Can you feel that stretching?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now bring it back down. That's it. Just stand on it like normal. And then we're going to bring it back up again.
Can I bring it from the side or am I supposed
However
to
you want. No, you can bring it from the side. There you go. Almost there. Perfect. Now hold that stretch. And then bring it back down. So what I want to do is I want to do 5 of those. We already did 2.
Okay.
We'll do 3 more. And we'll just hold it about 10 seconds each time.
Okay.
So go ahead up. Now that looks smooth. That looked really good.
Okay.
And then bring it down.